In this video we will talk about hair loss aloe vera treatment and other natural hair loss. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Many people feel that the problem of hair loss cannot be solved with the help of hair loss treatment products. They often get frustrated after spending too much money on ineffective hair loss remedies and their side effects with no positive results at all. In reality, hair loss treatment can be divided in two categories: natural hair loss treatments and chemical treatments. Here are some best natural hair loss treatments. Aloe vera. Have used aloe vera to promote healthy hair and prevent hair loss since ages. Aloe vera balances the pH of the scalp and heals from within. It is also helpful in cleansing the pores. A general remedy of aloe vera gel with coconut milk and small amount of wheat germ oil used as a shampoo has shown great benefits. Aloe vera surely helps you stop hair loss. Jojoba. If you are affected with hair problems like eczema, psoriasis, dandruff or seborrhea, you are requested to use jojoba oil. Native Americans and Mexicans have used jojoba oil for centuries to prevent hair loss and to control dandruff. Jojoba oil works well for hypoallergenic skin, as is a good moisturizer. This is one of the best hair loss treatment products. Henna. Henna is a traditional Indian herb, which is a good natural conditioner and works great as hair loss treatment product. It heals hair shaft by sealing the cuticle and repairing, stops breakage and restores the silky shiny effect of your hair. Capsicum. It stimulates hair growth by 50% and increases flow of blood to the scalp. This herb is effective in preventing hair loss. Lemongrass. This herb helps stabilizing oil product in the scalp. It also provides nourishment to the hair. You can use oil of lemongrass for massage as well. Dong quai. Formation of DHT is the main cause of hair loss. Dong quai contains phytoestrogens, which reduces the formation of DHT. Hence, dong quai is believed to be helpful in hair loss. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.